There's nothing worse than pulling your laundry out of the washer only to find it smells just as bad or even worse than when it went in. Your clothes don't have that fresh, clean scent, your bedding isn't giving off that crisp aroma, and your kids' school uniforms still smell like mud and sweat. It's frustrating, isn't it? Especially when you've spent money on detergent and used up time running a wash cycle. Stick around, because I'm about to share 17 tried and tested tips to keep your washing smelling fresh. Number 1. Choose your detergent wisely. Your choice of detergent plays a huge role in how good your laundry smells. It's not just about cleaning, it's about picking a scent you love and making sure the detergent actually does the job properly. Before you buy, think about what materials you'll be washing. Delicates like wool and cashmere need a special detergent, while tough stains need a powerful one. Are you washing bright colours or whites? Pick a detergent that preserves those colours or keeps your whites dazzling. Does your family have allergies or skin sensitivities? Make sure your detergent is gentle enough. And do you prefer powder, liquid or pods? Powders are great for stains, liquids are good for pre-treating, and pods give you the perfect dose every time. Take all of this into account and don't just go for the cheapest one on the shelf, because if it smells awful, you'll regret it. Number 2. Use the right amount of detergent. More detergent doesn't mean cleaner clothes. If you use too little, your laundry won't get a proper clean. If you use too much, you'll be left with a sticky chemical residue that smells, well, not great. Stick to the amount recommended on the packaging. It'll clean your clothes properly and make your detergent last longer too. Number 3. Don't leave laundry sitting in the washer. You know that damp, musty smell laundry gets when it's left in the machine too long? That's bacteria having a party. As soon as the cycle finishes, take your clothes out and get them drying. The quicker they dry, the fresher they'll smell. Number 4. Use a good fabric softener. Fabric softeners don't just make clothes feel nice, they also boost the scent of your washing. There are loads to choose from, whether you love floral, fresh or fruity fragrances. But remember, some people can be sensitive to them, so pick one that works for you and your family. Number 5. Try laundry scent boosters. If you want your laundry to smell fresh for weeks, scent boosters are the way to go. Unlike fabric softener, these little beads are purely there to enhance fragrance. Just pop them in the drum before your wash and enjoy long-lasting freshness. Number 6. Use dryer sheets. If you use a tumble dryer, throw in a scented dryer sheet. They reduce static, make your clothes feel softer, and add an extra burst of fragrance. You can even make your own by adding a few drops of essential oil to a piece of cloth and tossing it in with your clothes. Number 7. Separate dirty clothes from cleaner items. Muddy rugby kits and lightly worn t-shirts shouldn't go in the same wash. Dirtier clothes can transfer grime and odours onto cleaner ones, making everything smell bad. Separate your loads so each gets washed effectively. Number 8. Pre-treat stains and odours. If your clothes have stubborn stains or strong smells, pre-treat them before washing. A quick soak or spot treatment can make all the difference. Number 9. Don't overfill the washing machine. If you cram too much into the drum, your clothes won't get properly cleaned or rinsed. Spread out your washing over a few loads instead of overloading the machine. Number 10. Add scents to your wardrobes and drawers. Even if your laundry smells great out of the machine, it can fade over time. Pop some fragrance sachets or scented liners in your drawers and wardrobes to keep that fresh smell going. Number 11. Line dry your clothes for a natural fresh scent. When the weather's nice, drying your clothes outside is one of the best ways to get them smelling amazing. The fresh air and sunshine work wonders, but of course that's not always an option here in the UK. Number 12. Don't put clothes away until they're fully dry. Even slightly damp clothes will develop a stale, musty smell when stored. Make sure everything is completely dry before folding and putting away. Number 13. refresh clothes without washing. You don't always need to rewash clothes to make them smell nice. A quick spritz of fabric freshener, some lemon water, or even just airing them out can do the trick. Number 14. Take your time with hand washing. If you're washing delicate items by hand, don't rush it. Make sure you're using enough detergent, rinsing thoroughly, and allowing items to dry fully. Number 15. Store clean laundry away from strong odours. Your fresh laundry will pick up any strong smells around it. So, don't leave it in the kitchen when you're cooking, or in a damp, musty room where it can absorb bad odours. Number 16. Keep your washing machine and dryer clean. Even the best detergents and fabric softeners won't help if your washing machine is dirty. A grimy machine means grimy, smelly laundry. Make sure you clean your washer and dryer regularly to prevent build-up and mould. And finally, number 17. Wash your clothes regularly. Obvious, right? But letting dirty laundry pile up in a basket can make it smell even worse. Clothes that sit in a heap, especially damp ones, will start to stink fast. And when you finally wash them, the smell might not come out completely. So keep on top of your washing and don't let things get too grim before they hit the machine. And that's it. 17 simple ways to keep your laundry smelling amazing. Which of these tips do you already use? And do you have any secret hacks of your own? Let me know in the comments. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.